Health benefits of sunflower oil. Hey, health enthusiasts! Welcome back to our channel where we explore the wonders of nature's gifts. Today, we're diving deep into the world of sunflower oil, a popular cooking oil known for its delicate flavor and numerous health benefits. Extracted from sunflower seeds, this golden elixir has been used for centuries in various cuisines and traditional remedies. Join us as we unveil the 15 incredible health benefits of sunflower oil backed by scientific research. Remember to hit that like button and subscribe for more fascinating content. 1. Rich in heart-healthy fats. Sunflower oil is a treasure trove of heart-healthy fats, particularly monounsaturated and polyunsaturated fats. These fats are essential for maintaining a healthy cardiovascular system by lowering LDL, bad, cholesterol levels while increasing HDL, good, cholesterol levels. Numerous studies have linked regular consumption of sunflower oil to a reduced risk of heart disease, heart attacks, and strokes. Replacing unhealthy saturated fats with sunflower oil in your diet can contribute to better heart health and improve overall well-being. 2. Antioxidant powerhouse. Packed with powerful antioxidants like vitamin E and beta-carotene, sunflower oil helps combat harmful free radicals that damage cells and contribute to aging and disease. These antioxidants protect your body's cells from oxidative stress, reducing the risk of chronic conditions like cancer and inflammation-related diseases. Incorporating sunflower oil into your daily cooking can boost your body's defense against oxidative damage and promote a healthier, more vibrant you. 3. Skin nourishment. Beyond its culinary uses, sunflower oil also offers incredible benefits for your skin. Rich in vitamin E, this oil acts as a natural moisturizer, improving skin hydration and preventing dryness. Its lightweight texture makes it ideal for all skin types, leaving your skin feeling soft and supple. Additionally, the linoleic acid in sunflower oil possesses anti-inflammatory properties that can help soothe irritated skin and reduce redness, making it suitable for acne-prone individuals. 4. Supports brain health. Sunflower oil is a reliable source of essential fatty acids, including omega-6 and omega-9, which play a crucial role in brain development and function. These fatty acids aid in building and maintaining the structure of brain cells, enhancing cognitive abilities and memory retention. Regular consumption of sunflower oil may also help reduce the risk of neurodegenerative diseases like Alzheimer's and dementia. Remember, a healthy brain leads to a sharper mind and a happier life. 5. Bone strength and density. Sunflower oil is abundant in vitamin K, a nutrient vital for bone health. Vitamin K aids in the absorption of calcium, which is crucial for maintaining strong bones and reducing the risk of osteoporosis. By incorporating sunflower oil into your diet, you can ensure your bones stay robust and resilient, supporting an active and fulfilling lifestyle as you age. 6. Immune system boost. A healthy immune system is your body's frontline defense against infections and diseases. The abundance of vitamin E in sunflower oil enhances immune function by promoting the production of immune cells and supporting their activity. Regular consumption of sunflower oil can strengthen your immune response, helping you ward off common illnesses and maintain optimal health. 7. Supports digestive health. Sunflower oil contains a high level of dietary fiber, which is essential for a well-functioning digestive system. Fiber aids in proper digestion and helps prevent constipation by promoting regular bowel movements. Including sunflower oil in your meals can support a healthy gut environment and alleviate digestive discomfort. 8. Weight management. If you're on a weight management journey, sunflower oil can be a beneficial addition to your diet. It is lower in calories than many other cooking oils and is free from cholesterol, making it a healthier option. Moreover, the oleic acid found in sunflower oil can help curb appetite and promote a feeling of fullness, preventing overeating. 9. Promotes healthy hair. Achieving luscious locks is easier with sunflower oil. This oil is rich in nutrients like vitamin E, B-complex vitamins, and minerals that nourish hair follicles, promoting healthy hair growth and preventing hair loss. Regularly massaging sunflower oil into your scalp can also combat dryness and dandruff, leaving your hair soft, shiny, and manageable. 10. Anti-inflammatory properties. The presence of linoleic acid in sunflower oil imparts powerful anti-inflammatory effects, benefiting individuals with conditions like arthritis and joint pain. Incorporating sunflower oil into your diet may reduce inflammation and ease discomfort, providing relief for those suffering from chronic inflammatory ailments. 11. Energy boost. Feeling sluggish? Sunflower oil might be the energy boost you need. Rich in unsaturated fats, this oil is an excellent source of energy for your body. The fats in sunflower oil are readily metabolized, providing a quick and sustained source of energy, perfect for powering through your busy days. 12. Balances hormones. Hormonal imbalances can wreak havoc on your health and mood. Sunflower oil's omega-6 fatty acids play a role in regulating hormones, including those responsible for mood, stress, and reproductive health. By incorporating sunflower oil into your diet, you can help maintain hormonal balance, leading to a calmer and happier you. 13. Cardiovascular health. In addition to its beneficial effects on cholesterol levels, sunflower oil contains compounds like phytosterols that help reduce blood pressure and prevent hardening of the arteries. These factors contribute to improved cardiovascular health, reducing the risk of heart disease and other circulatory issues. 14. Rich source of vitamin B. Sunflower oil is a fantastic source of various B vitamins, including thiamine, niacin, pyridoxine, and riboflavin. These vitamins play vital roles in maintaining overall health, such as supporting nerve function, metabolizing energy from food, and promoting healthy skin and hair. 15. Blood sugar regulation. For individuals with diabetes or those at risk of developing it, sunflower oil can help regulate blood sugar levels. The monounsaturated fats in sunflower oil aid in increasing insulin sensitivity, allowing better control of blood glucose levels. And there you have it, 15 incredible health benefits of sunflower oil. This golden elixir has proven to be more than just a cooking companion. It is a natural powerhouse of nutrients that can enhance your overall well-being. From promoting heart health and supporting your immune system to nourishing your skin and hair, sunflower oil is undoubtedly a remarkable addition to your daily routine. As always, it's essential to use sunflower oil in moderation as part of a balanced diet. Don't forget to like this video and share it with your friends. Until next time, stay healthy and stay happy.